Hello, people. This is the locations that I have oil. So this is the rent of my oil locations to those people who are rent my oil locations. So in the first block, so it is 148,000 monthly. So the other locations, so there are no yet recorded price. I'm not yet done digging. So I just filled up all the columns on rows all over the world. So you won't be problem having oil when you need it. So in these last five columns, you also can see five individual price, monthly price, renting my oil stations. And also, at the same time, this is also a situations of friends or families that the the amount you can see is the represent to the person who is having already has have, and the zero represent as people who doesn't have yet. Okay, so these two who has in the second horizontal line, these two person can help the three other person monetarily or whatever difficult issues. And the third column in this horizontal line is there is one person among this. When we say they are friends, five persons in one group, so there are four others who have, how we say, rich friends. So these four rich friends can help this one, the other friend. And the fourth column, so the three rich friends can also help the two poor friends. And then the fifth, there is another group of friends or families, there's a member of families or friends that one of them doesn't have something at all, so the others can help out. So these situations, global situations in general, are not so bad. Maybe bad for the world, but not for the civilizations, because it's like a digging oil from the world itself. So this is also the census, the overall census of the world society situations inside the globe, on the map, civilization in the map. So this is also a census. I'm going to count how many percent or how many encounters, we have, and we'll say the one who has difficulties. Okay, so there is a good situations in the world civilizations. This is also census at the same time. This is actually an applications for the oil world, but one thing always relates another thing. So this applications is oil. So in the first talking, in the first what I said first is these are also the locations how you see oil. Actually, I was thinking just to put an indications of the color black, but I was thinking about the globe that yeah, there is oil in one place and there's oil in another place. So there is oil in the other dimensions of my thinking that this applications is about oil. And also when I put the amount on every point, I was thinking about the map. And if I find the oil, this this is square resonates of that place, and you know how much you rent per month of using my gas stations. Okay. And then in the another dimension of my thinking, that as I said, I already mentioned that there are a group of friends, 5 of them. One of them are poor, the 4 others help the other one. Okay, that's all. This is new applications. I mean the movement of times 5. This is also like a bit casino. There's a clock on the top, and there is a multiplier. How fast my statistic going? So I I choose times 5. That's why you can see my statistic is fast. Okay.